I have the hiccups. And I can't get rid of them. I don't know how to get rid of the hiccups. Never breathe when you have the hiccups. I'm so scared. I don't want to choke again. They've been going on for like 15 minutes and they won't stop. Unless they did just now. I'm watching that 70s show in the background. I think they stopped. After 15 minutes, they stopped. It's like a miracle. I need a shower. But it's 10 o'clock. Hello, Florida. I think my hiccups did stop. Ah! Hiccups are done. I'm happy again. They stopped. Okay. I'm gonna go now.